side. First touch for Adassis and Tombo. Chance for Makgalwa! Goal! First touch for Tombo. Makgalwa in the right place at the right time. Sekhukhue United score.
It is him who used to wear the captain's up bench. It is Mtambo that sets up the man they call Aguero. That's what he wants to do. And he gets that goal, that vital one, operating on the left-hand side. Scores with his right foot. Number 7. Makgalwa. It is Mtambo who gets into a good space. Look at that pass. The control, the composure under pressure. Bit of a toe poke. That's what you do, the aggression. At some point, like I said, they used to call him the Aguero of Mamelodi Sundowns. You can call him the Aguero of Sekhukhue.